Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to see the latest onboarding updates from three different companies, that is Wipro, TCS and Capgemini. So many of you are waiting for your onboardings for these companies, and what are the latest updates we are going to discuss in this video. So before starting, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel as we regularly upload off-campus drives as well as onboarding updates videos on our channel. So if you have not checked the recent videos, you can check it in our onboarding news playlist where we regularly upload the latest onboarding details. So I have recently uploaded videos which are related to TCS. So TCS has started releasing the offer letters. So if you have not checked all the latest details, make sure to check all the videos. I have also updated a video on the turbo onboarding updates of Wipro as well as the onboarding updates from Wipro, wherein the Wipro has started sending the verification mails. So if you have not checked all of those videos, make sure to check that to be updated with the latest news. Also, I can see that many of you are watching the videos, but you have not subscribed to the channel yet. I would request all of you to subscribe to the channel yet so that you don't miss any of the updates, and it will also motivate me to make more such content for you guys. So with that being said, let's start with our today's discussion. So in this video is going to be a complete detailed video, although we have covered some of the points in one of the previous videos, but if you have not checked the previous videos, you will get all the news in this video. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the onboarding updates from all the different companies. Then TCS has a recent update on the Next Step portal. So we are going to see that what is the Next Step portal updated. Next is we are going to see the information of the Wipro Elite and Turbo joining confirmed. So as many of you are aware that Wipro is giving the updates on WILP, but you don't have any updates on Elite and Turbo, and many of you are asking many questions related to Elite and Turbo. I have already explained that in the previous videos, but still if you have not checked that, we are going to cover that again in this video. And finally, we are going to see the Capgemini joining updates. So Capgemini has signed a time or the month in which they are going to give the joinings. So I have taken the mail screenshots in this video so that it is a proof that all this information is very true. So first of all, we are going to start with the details of Wipro. So Wipro has recently sent this kind of mails. So joining, this is related to the subject line is joining forms and onboarding related issues or queries. So many students have queries related to Elite and Turbo joinings. So they have sent an update mail to the Wipro, and Wipro has replied in this way. So this is regarding the query which you have posted on the survey. We appreciate that your interest in joining Wipro and are looking forward to getting you started. Thank you for completing your PJP, that is pre-joining program. We are in the process of onboarding candidates in batches depending on the business requirements. You will hear us from us at least 2 months prior to your onboarding. So Wipro is saying that you will be hearing on your joining news at least 2 months prior. So if you have not got your joining yet, just it is confirmed from Wipro that it might take 2 months more. But in another communication, Wipro has confirmed that they will start hiring the Elite and Turbo candidates from December and January month. So it is very much sure that Wipro is definitely going to hire, but as I always suggest, don't be totally dependent on the joining of one company. Instead, keep on applying to all the ongoing drives that are currently going on. So I regularly upload off-campus drives videos also on my channel. So make sure to apply to all the drives, as you don't know how long a single company will take. So you might get joining in some other company, as many students have done. So they were waiting for the joining of one company. In the meanwhile, they have given the exam, interviewed with other company and got the joining earlier in the other company. So just do this. Don't be totally dependent on single company. So make sure that you complete your PJP provided by Wipro, because that is the most important thing. Let's see some of the important tips for Wipro candidates. So if you are a Wipro candidate waiting for your joining letter, these are some of the tips. So keep your records up to date. All of your records should be up to date. All your documents should be ready with you. So you should be prepared with all of your documents that are required, and 60% of criteria are being checked rigorously. So go through your documents and check whether you satisfy the 60% criteria, because otherwise there are chances of getting terminated in future. Also, as you receive the email, upload all the original documents in a proper format, and no fake documents are to be uploaded. Those whose documents are not proper on Launchpad, they will get a mail or a call from Wipro to upload them in a proper manner. So we have seen that recently some of the students have got the verification mail, that is to upload the proper documents. If you have not got, I have already told you many times that it is not sure that you will get it. Only those whose clarifications is required on the documents, to them people only Wipro is sending that verification mail. Okay, so don't worry about that also. And the most important thing is, again I am telling you, complete your pre-joining program provided by Wipro. Moving on to the next information. So news on Elite and Turbo candidates. So now this is the news related to Elite and Turbo candidates. So if you are one of those, so there is good news coming from Wipro hiring manager about onboarding update for Turbo candidates and Elite candidates. So Wipro is continuously giving the date of joining to WILP students and continuously onboarding 5 to 6 batches. So Wipro has till now onboarded 5 to 6 batches of WILP. So but not providing any updates on Turbo Elite batches. So there is no any update on Turbo or Elite. So many Turbo and Elite candidates are confused still. But here is a good news which will come in upcoming months for Elite and Turbo people, and likely to get some good stuff in the upcoming months. And what is the good news? In a call, hiring manager is straightforwardly mentioned that people who were caught in malpractice, they will not be able to onboard those people. Rest of the other people they will surely get onboarded in the upcoming months, who's cleared the criteria with 60% in all the assessments and projects and graduation. So if you have 60% in your assessment, projects and graduation, you will surely get your joining. So don't worry about that thing. So let's see the next update. So this was all the updates about Wipro. So next updates are from TCS. So TCS has recently updated their next step portal. So the next step portal is updated for some candidates if they are rejected, and for some of them they have got their offer letters on the next step. So make sure that you also check your next step portal of TCS. So this is the information that is generated on the next step portal, that is greeting from TCS. We regret to inform you that you have not cleared the TCS selection process. We would like to thank you for your interest with TCS and wish you all the best for your future. In case of any queries or clarification, you can mail them and ask them. So this is the update from TCS. So I have already created a video yesterday in which I have told you that the offer letter is released by TCS and started getting released. So make sure that you also check your next step portals. Moving on to the last update, which is from Capgemini. So Capgemini has updated that. So many students have sent a follow-up mail asking from Capgemini that when their joining is going to happen, right? So in a recent communication, Capgemini hiring team has informed that joining is planned in the month of April-May. So this is the mail that the students have got. Greetings from Capgemini. Your onboarding is planned in April or May. You will receive offer letter and further communication 1 to 2 weeks prior to your joining. Thanks and regards, University Relations and Hiring Team. So it might be a possibility that when you are sending the mail, you might not get the reply, but some of the students have got, and that is why we have created this video, so that all of you are informed about your joining. So again, with this we have covered all the updates on the onboarding of the companies, that is from Wipro, TCS and Capgemini. If you have further doubts, you can ask in the comment section, because we have a huge community of students who are waiting for their onboarding updates, and also there are some students who have recently joined the companies, and they can guide you through the procedure, that what they have faced and how long does it usually take to get the joinings. So make sure to join us on Telegram and Instagram, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates from us. So thank you and all the best for your joinings.